This video is going to show you how to export your work to a PDF file. It's important that you always submit PDF files to me, because if you were to send this MXD, the map document that you're working on, basically I would get an empty box, because the map document only contains links to the data that you're using. It doesn't actually contain the data itself. So you'd send me that file and it would be of no value to me, and I wouldn't be able to score your work. So it's important, so that you get credit for your work, that you send me PDF files of your maps. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we've got our map completely finished the way that we want, and so we're satisfied with the way everything that looks. And one of the most important things that you need to do when you export your map is to make sure that you're in layout view. So there's two views in ArcMap: layout view and data view. You can tell you're in layout view for a couple of reasons. One, you notice the rulers across the vertical and horizontal boundaries of your editing area, and that you can also see more than one data frame or more than one map. If you were in data view, the controls that switch back and forth are in the lower left corner here. If we're in data view, we can only see one map at a time. So before you export your map to a PDF, make sure that you're in layout view and you're satisfied with everything that you see. So once we're happy with our appearance, we're going to go to the File pull-down menu, and we're going to choose Export Map about halfway down the menu list, or toward the bottom. And we're going to browse to our folder where we want to save this work, and we're going to change the Save As type from JPEG to PDF. What I'd like for you to do is, as you name these files, is include your last name, and then we'll do an underscore and the exercise number. So in this case it's EX2. In most cases I'm pretty happy with the default settings on the options. You can feel free to experiment with those, but the defaults usually yield very good results. So I'm going to pick Save, and the software is going to process those results. We can see that it's finished. Once it's finished, I'm going to launch Windows Explorer to take a look. So I'm going to always double check your work. So I'm going to browse to my folder, and your folder location will be in a different place, and I'm going to take a look at that PDF file and make sure that I'm happy with it before I submit it as my work. Always review your work to make sure that it's representing the effort that you put into it, so that you can get the maximum score for all the hard work that you've done. Everything looks good, and I'm happy with this. I've got my PDF file. The next step is to attach this to our assignment. We'll do that with another video. Thanks.